Hannay's 1500 series of manual or power rewind reels are designed for a variety of applications. With a lightweight construction and compact design, the 1500 is available in different sizes, depending on your mounting options and hose length required for the job. 1500 reels can handle 3/8" through 5/8" ID hose and pressures up to 10,000 psi depending on individual specification. The manual version of the reel includes a cam-lock drag brake, spring-actuated pin lock, and direct crank rewind. The power rewind version features a chain and sprocket drive powered by an electric, hydraulic, or compressed air motor. Whether it's high or low pressure, steam cleaning, pest control, agriculture, or water applications, the durable 1500 series is designed to handle the task at hand, day in and day out. This series can also be used with utility or breathing air hose, making them ideal for power tools, air compressor hose, construction sites, automotive needs, fire and rescue operations, and more. Hannay Reels takes pride in providing high-quality reel solutions to a variety of industries and designs their reels for easy maintenance. To see all of the reel solutions Hannay offers, head to hannay.com.